Good morning, guys. Rise and shine. What is happiness? And what things when you do, you find happiness? Because in this time, most of the students are mm, tackling with stress and depression. And in this time, finding happiness is very difficult. And I say that if you do that thing which do you love, so you can achieve happiness. And tell me what is happiness according to you, and by which thing you find happiness.
At first, good morning. And I want to tell you what is happiness. I think if you do any work and do hard work and after get success, and after getting success you give lot of respect, and that time you feel, then I think this is a part of happiness. And when you do any good work and but you get a failure, at that time your family also scold, and neighborhood also scold. I think this is good, but at that time you are victim of this type of quotation. But if you have a positive mind and including to positive work, so I think you also get success, and you also achieve happiness.
Yes, and I have seen many people who are successful in their life, but they are not happy. It seems that they looks like happy. They are most successful person, and they have much money, but they are not happy. And due to this, some people also commit suicide, and some students also commit suicide because they are not happy with their result. And I think for happiness, any person do not depend on anything or any other person, because mm, if any person depend on any other person or anything for happiness, so it is momentary, because after some times it may be changed. And due to this reason you will feel very bad. And I think if you love yourself and what you do, so this feels you very happy.
Yes, and I tell you one matter. Uh, if you want to only happiness, then I think this is not possible, because you know very well, some person also give a lot of respect, and some person also give disrespect. So if you go want to go ahead, then you leave all matter, you leave all bad matter, and you do go ahead with the positive thing. And I want to tell you one thing. You know very some men also know how to get money, but they also do very bad work. And some people also have lot of money, but they also think money is very good way of happiness. This is a good very thing, but you know very well, some person also have lot of money, but they also feel very bad, and they also commit suicide. I think one reason, his family not happy with the with you, and on the other hand, some people also earn some money, but they are very happy with family and his skin. So I think this is a fantastic. And what do you think about this?
Yes, and I think if there are some people and close friends around you, with uh, with them you can talk without any limitation and without any hesitation, so you feel very good. And mm, for happiness, some people also earn more money. It may be that you are very successful and you have more money, but I think money cannot buy happiness, because uh, if you see any child, so um, uh, he is happy what he is doing, because he does that thing which he love. Yes, okay, and I think that is enough.